The word tight ass is often used for people who are frugal with their spending. We prefer to use the term penny pincher. If you are heading for retirement or already retired and your income is not as high as you would like, then we'll show you 7 penny pinching tips that can save you money every day. And best of all, they won't give you a reputation of being a you-know-what. Ready to become a savvy saver? Let's get started. Number 1. Plan your meals. One of the most effective strategies to cut costs is meal planning. Imagine knowing exactly what you'll eat throughout the week, reducing last-minute grocery trips and the temptation of costly takeouts. Meal planning isn't just about saving money, it's about optimizing your nutrition and minimizing waste. Start by listing your favorite meals, check what ingredients you already have, and make a grocery list. This way, you can buy in bulk, use coupons more effectively, and avoid purchasing non-essentials. By incorporating the habit of meal planning, retirees can also benefit from improved dietary habits, which is crucial for maintaining health as metabolism slows with age. Planning helps in incorporating diverse and nutrient-rich foods that are essential for older adults. Additionally, this practice can become a social activity, inviting friends or family to meal prep together, which enriches social connections and can even lead to bulk buying with others to save more. Consider integrating seasonal and local foods, which tend to be cheaper and fresher, into your meal plans. This approach supports local farmers and can introduce new, nutritious options into your diet. Number 2. Brew your own coffee. For many, a morning coffee is a cherished ritual. However, daily coffee shop visits can quickly drain your wallet. Brewing coffee at home can be a delightful and economical part of your day. Select beans that suit your taste and experiment with different roasts. Not only does home brewing save you money, but it also enhances your coffee experience, allowing you to savor richer and fresher flavors every morning. Beyond saving money, the ritual of brewing your own coffee each morning can offer therapeutic benefits. The process of grinding beans, boiling water, and slowly brewing a cup can be a meditative start to the day, enhancing mental health. Also, the ability to host friends over coffee at home instead of frequenting expensive cafes not only saves money, but also fosters a warm, inviting atmosphere for social interactions, which are vital in retirement. Experimenting with different brewing techniques, such as French press, drip, or espresso, can enrich your coffee experience and make this daily ritual even more enjoyable and diverse. The third is, check your bank account daily. It might sound meticulous, but checking your bank account daily is a powerful habit in retirement. This daily check acts as a financial health screening, helping you stay aware of your spending, catch any dubious fees, and adjust your budget promptly. This routine ensures you're never caught off guard by your financial status. Adding to the daily habit of checking your bank account, utilizing financial management apps can streamline tracking expenses and budgeting. These apps often categorize expenditures automatically, making it easier to see where money goes each month. For tech-savvy retirees, setting alerts for large transactions or low balances can prevent fraud and overdraft fees, keeping finances secure. Regularly updating your financial literacy by reading about personal finance or attending workshops can also enhance your ability to manage and understand your retirement savings more effectively. Number 4. Throw out those expensive cleaning products. Switching to homemade cleaning solutions can significantly reduce your spending on household supplies. Ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon not only clean effectively, but also cut costs and reduce exposure to harsh chemicals. Create all-purpose cleaners, glass sprays, and even furniture polish using these inexpensive ingredients. This change not only saves money, but also supports a healthier home environment. Expanding on the use of homemade cleaning products, retirees can explore growing their own ingredients like lemons and herbs, which can be used in DIY recipes. This not only provides a cost-effective source of ingredients, but also adds the benefit of gardening, a rewarding and relaxing hobby that promotes physical activity and can improve mental health. Creating larger batches of your favorite DIY cleaners can save time and ensure you always have a supply on hand, further reducing the need for store-bought alternatives. The fifth might sound a little weird, but it's drink more water. Increasing your water intake has numerous health benefits and can also save you money. Water keeps you hydrated, helps manage your hunger, and reduces the money spent on sugary drinks and snacks. Equip yourself with a reusable water bottle and perhaps a hydration tracking app to make water consumption both a healthy and thrifty habit. Encouraging water consumption also reduces the environmental impact of buying bottled drinks, aligning with a sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, staying adequately hydrated helps in reducing urinary tract infections and kidney stones, which are common health issues in older adults. Keeping a water intake log can also be a fun challenge that adds a sense of achievement to daily routines. Setting daily water intake goals can add a sense of accomplishment and structure to your day, while also ensuring that you stay properly hydrated for optimal health. Number 6 is stop making those impulse buys. Impulse buying can sabotage even the most well-thought-out budget. Avoid this trap by making and sticking to shopping lists. Whether you're buying groceries, clothing, or home goods, a list can help you focus on what you really need and prevent wasteful spending. Embrace the list as your shopping superpower. To further help cut out impulse buys, retirees can adopt a method of reflecting on past purchases to identify trends and triggers for unnecessary spending. This can involve reviewing monthly statements to see which purchases were unplanned and considering if they were truly needed. Learning to recognize these patterns can help in developing stronger resistance to impulse buying over time. Consider implementing a monthly budget review where you assess the effectiveness of your spending habits and adjust as necessary to avoid future impulse purchases. And the final tip is, simply take a walk. Lastly, embrace walking as a free form of exercise and relaxation. Walking boosts your physical and mental health without costing a dime. It's also an excellent opportunity to connect with nature or socialize with friends. For longer distances, consider public transportation over driving, which can further reduce your expenses and environmental footprint. In addition to the physical benefits, walking as a form of exercise can be a gateway to exploring new hobbies such as birdwatching or photography, which enriches the experience and keeps it interesting. Organizing walking groups with fellow retirees can provide motivation and social interaction, which is crucial for mental health. These groups can lead to discovering various local trails and parks, further enhancing the enjoyment of this simple, free activity. Plan your walks around different themes or goals, such as photography walks to capture seasonal changes or historical walks to learn more about your locality, adding educational value to the activity. Implementing these frugal habits isn't just about saving money. It's about enriching your retirement life with health, sustainability, and peace of mind. Curious about starting one of these habits? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us at The Smart Retiree for more practical tips on making the most of your retirement funds. Remember, every smart financial habit you adopt is a step toward a more fulfilling retirement. Happy saving and see you in the next video.